Today, I'm going to clean up this abandoned chili farm. This farm actually belongs to my cousin, but he stopped taking care of it. Back then, he didn't have enough knowledge about growing chilies, and the results weren't great. Long story short, he decided to go back to an office job, and now his chili farm looks like this because he left it behind for his new work. All right, let's clean it up manually. Today, my wife is helping me, and our little daughter is here too. Even our small cat seems excited to join us for this cleanup. I'll only have a few hours to work on this, since I have another task to do in about 2 hours. So I'm not sure if we can finish everything today. If not, I'll continue it tomorrow. All right, enjoy watching.